Oh, come on now. Let's be honest. You want to be successful, fit, rich, confident, respected. But you're also lazy. You procrastinate. You binge YouTube. You nap like it's a sport. Good news, you can still become a beast. You just have to cheat the system. Lazy doesn't mean useless, it means efficient. A lazy genius doesn't do more. They do what matters first. So step 1, do one high-impact task every day. Just one. Not 10 goals, not a 17-step morning routine. Just one beast move, every single day. You don't need willpower, you need traps. Can't wake up early? Put your alarm across the room. Want to eat better? Hide the junk. Put fruit where your brain will trip over it. The beast doesn't fight temptation, the beast removes it. Momentum is your cheat code. You don't need motivation, you need a spark. 5 push-ups turns into 15. Opening the laptop turns into finishing that assignment. Lazy people fail when they wait to feel ready. Beasts, they just start for 5 minutes. That's it. You're not a robot. You're basically a smart, anxious golden retriever. Do the thing. Treat. Finish the hard task. Reward. Your brain is a slot machine. Feed it wins and it'll beg you to keep going. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. You don't need to run marathons. Just be consistently lazy in the right direction. One beast move a day. One smart trap. One tiny spark. That's how lazy people become legends. Liked this? Hit subscribe. Then go do one thing that moves you forward. Just one. See you, champion.